This tutorial is going to be about making wikis. Go to your Google and type in Wikispaces for teachers. Then go to the space Wikispace for teachers, and it will bring you to this web space. As you can see by reading the text here under Wikispaces for educators, Wikispaces is giving away free sites to educators. And the reason a free site would be good for an educator is because you will not have the ads running on the side of the page if you sign up for it. So you just go down here and put in this space, whatever name you want to choose for the Wikispace. I would be careful if I'm using this for educational purposes that if you're a superintendent, maybe you use the school district's name. If you're a teacher, maybe you're going to use the class that you're having it for, and maybe if you are a principal, maybe you're going to use your building. And then you have to decide the permissions on a wiki. Do you want everybody to be able to get it? Do you want everybody to view the pages but only wiki members can edit them? Or do you want it private, which is free for educators, and only wiki members can view and edit pages? And that way you can invite people only to join your wiki. And you can certify that this will be used for K-12 education. And if you certify that, then you just go back in here and you would create your wiki. So when you would create your wiki, then your wiki is going to look in time kind of like this wiki that I have made for the workshop. This wiki is under my name. It's under rvolts, and this is a wiki that I have made and saved for you to be able to follow some of the tutorial things. So you can see that it's my name, and it would be rvolts.wikispaces.com. I have made another wiki that is called iasa.wikispaces.com because I have found that this being just one page, it's easier for you to navigate on this one page. Now I've already included many things into this document, but I'm going to show you how you would start this. Basically, your page wouldn't have anything on it. And by the way, you wouldn't have these ads over here like my page has, because officially I'm really not an educator. I work for the Illinois Association of School Administrators. So you just go up to edit this page, and when you click edit this page, then you're allowed to edit and put any text in you want on any of these pages. So I can type in at any point any information. So I want to make a spot on my web page here to be able to put in this information on how to make a wiki. So I'm just going to put in a few spaces here to give me some room, and then I can just type whatever I want in here. So let's say I'm going to put in here instructions on how to make wikis. And this is just like any other word processor. If I highlight it, I can come up and make that any particular size I want. So let's say I want to make it a little bigger size, plus I want it to stand out a little more, so I just make it a bigger size. Then in addition, when I am doing a new topic, what I like to do is put a line across the page. So I've just clicked on this to put a horizontal rule across the page. So I have instructions on how to make wikis, and I have that as a heading, and then I can start embedding video. Now to embed video, what I have to do is find a video that I would use on how to make wikis. So one way to do that is to go to YouTube and try to find a video on Wikispaces. So I'm just typing in YouTube Wikispaces, and I find one that says Wikispaces tutorial, and there's one here that is 6 minutes and 36 seconds, and it's been viewed by 1,205 people, which is a pretty good amount. So let me just click on that, and it pops up in YouTube, and it'll start playing. Now in reality, before I would choose this in real life, I'd make sure that this Wikispaces tutorial is what I want. But let's just say I've looked at it and I like it and I want to embed it. Well, next to the actual Wikispaces tutorial is a URL for that tutorial, and which is called the embedded. This is embed code, HTML, that you will embed in your Wikispaces. If I click in here, and this is similar to what we did in GCast, we click inside it here, and then I am using Control-C, which is copying it. Then I'm going to go back to my Wikispace, which is my IASA homepage that I was just working, and I'm going to say, click on that embed widget, which then brings me to this box that has video on it. So I click on video, and it's going to ask me what kind of video do I have. Well, I have in this case a YouTube video. So I click on YouTube, and then I just go inside the box, this preview box, and I'm doing Control-V, and I am pasting my HTML code that I copied off the HTML site. I just choose Save, then it embeds it in my wiki. Then I save again so that my wiki closes and I can take a look to see what it looks like. So now I can go down, because this is quite a bit on the bottom of my wiki. If I go down here to where I just embedded that wiki, it's going to show up right here, instructions on how to make a wiki. That's what we just saw, and if I play it, this is actually going to play the wiki off the internet we were just looking at. So that's how you embed a video, for example, or audio or anything else you want to put on your wiki. And it's also how you put text in and save text. So again, this is going back to my wiki page, and that's how you start a wiki. I hope this has been helpful for you.